big, they're powerful, they're trucks. Find out everything about how trucks really work.
So what do you say we check it out?
Learn how a bulldozer rips down huge buildings. Look out as a monster truck smashes a car. And watch a parachute stop the fastest dragster. Get behind the wheel to find out what it takes to do the job when a fire truck races out on a call. The mail gets delivered around the world, and a train travels across the country.
All aboard!
If it moves, you'll see it. From working trucks to monster trucks.
I love this stuff.
Bring home all your favorite Real Wheels videos. And be sure to look for these new titles, available now only on video.